There's a reason your eyes feel dry after dinner, a reason your memory slips right before bed, and a reason you wake up feeling more tired than the night before. It's not just aging. For years, the mainstream medical and fitness communities have aggressively pushed a narrative that in order to protect our health and prevent weight gain as we get older, we must drastically cut back on our food intake in the evening, specifically avoiding carbohydrates at all costs. That sounds like a good thing, right? We have been conditioned to believe that an empty stomach at night equates to longevity and metabolic health, but recent surveys have uncovered a deeply concerning reality. A heartbreaking 68% of seniors intentionally restrict their evening carbohydrate intake, fully believing they are making a responsible, healthy choice to protect their aging bodies. However, by blindly following this generalized diet myth, they are actually making a critical mistake that deprives their central nervous system of the exact fuel it requires during its most vulnerable and active hours of repair. When the sun goes down and you prepare for sleep, your body does not simply shut off. Instead, it shifts into a highly demanding phase of cellular regeneration. During this time, proper glycogen availability is absolutely paramount. Your brain alone consumes a massive portion of your body's energy reserves, and your retina is recognized as one of the most metabolically active tissues in the entire human body. Starving these delicate systems of a slow, steady supply of glucose before bed forces your body out of the healing parasympathetic mode and into a state of physiological stress, triggering adrenaline and cortisol to break down muscle tissue just to keep your brain functioning. This internal battle is precisely why you wake up feeling exhausted, why your vision blurs, and why your cognitive sharpness fades. Before we dive into the life-changing, natural solutions that can reverse this nightly damage, I'd love for you to subscribe to Vital Health. We're building a space just for you. Science-backed, senior-centered, and full of hope. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reclaim your nights, soothe your nervous system, and deeply nourish your eyes and mind with simple, comforting foods that you likely already have in your kitchen. We are going to carefully explore 3 specific, ancient carbohydrates that each act as a silent stabilizer for your nightly metabolism, providing the vital energy required to heal your body while you rest. Let us begin by examining our first remarkable food, quinoa. Often dismissed by older generations as merely a modern culinary trend, quinoa is actually an ancient, complete protein and a complex carbohydrate possessing extraordinary neurosupportive properties that make it an unparalleled brain calmer and retina protector. To truly understand its powerful impact, consider the journey of Harold, a 69-year-old retired architect who spent his evenings struggling to read the newspaper, his eyes constantly burning and his mind clouded with an impenetrable fog. Harold had diligently followed the mainstream low-carb advice for years, consuming only a light salad with a small piece of chicken for dinner, genuinely hoping to protect his cardiovascular health. Instead of feeling vibrant, his sleep became horribly fragmented, and his vision suffered from what his doctor casually dismissed as inevitable age-related decline. But Harold's true problem was not simply his age. It was a severe lack of sustained glycogen availability during the crucial hours of the night. When Harold began incorporating a small, warm bowl of quinoa into his evening meals, the transformation he experienced was absolutely profound. Quinoa is uniquely rich in specific flavonoids and essential antioxidants that are absolutely vital for retina protection and overall ocular health. According to a comprehensive, peer-review study published in the prestigious journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, the unique, complex carbohydrate structure of quinoa provides a remarkably slow, steady release of energy that perfectly matches the metabolic demands of the aging brain during the early, critical stages of sleep. Furthermore, quinoa is an exceptional, natural source of dietary magnesium, a vital mineral that naturally relaxes constricted blood vessels and helps seamlessly transition the tense body into the parasympathetic mode, which is the exact physiological state required for deep, healing rest. For Harold, this simple dietary addition meant his eyes were finally receiving the continuous, uninterrupted nourishment needed to repair the severe cellular damage incurred during the daylight hours, drastically reducing his chronic feelings of dryness and visual strain. Quinoa's unique ability to soothe an overactive nervous system makes it a powerful brain calmer, gently lowering circulating stress hormones and preparing the anxious mind for a long night of uninterrupted restoration. You do not need to consume a massive, heavy portion to reap these benefits. Just a humble half cup of perfectly cooked quinoa, perhaps gently simmered in a nutrient-dense bone broth to provide added collagen and amino acids, can provide the exact, slow-burning fuel required to stabilize your blood sugar and calm your central nervous system. The profound comfort of knowing that such a simple, ancient, and easily accessible food can effectively combat the heartbreaking deterioration of our cognitive and visual faculties brings an immense sense of hope to those seniors who have struggled in silence for years. Now, let us transition to the second vital carbohydrate, a food that likely already sits patiently in your pantry right now, but whose incredible evening benefits remain largely untapped by the aging population: oatmeal. While traditionally and almost exclusively viewed as a morning breakfast staple, consuming oatmeal at night serves as an incredibly effective metabolic stabilizer that actively promotes deep, restorative sleep and crucially facilitates glymphatic clearing. The glymphatic system is your brain's highly specialized, unique waste clearance pathway, a critical biological mechanism that activates primarily during the deepest phases of sleep to literally flush out harmful neurotoxins, including the dangerous amyloid beta proteins that are heavily associated with Alzheimer's disease and general cognitive decline. This highly energy-intensive cleaning process requires a highly reliable, slow-burning fuel source to function optimally. Enter George, a 68-year-old former mechanic who battled agonizing chronic insomnia and a thick, debilitating morning brain fog that made him feel like a shadow of his former self. George constantly felt as though his mind was racing at night, a classic, hidden symptom of plummeting nighttime blood sugar triggering a massive, unwanted adrenaline release just to keep his brain alive. When George finally decided to ignore the restrictive diet myths and started eating a small, comforting bowl of warm oatmeal roughly an hour before he went to bed, the results were nothing short of miraculous. The true secret behind this transformation lies in beta-glucan, a highly unique and powerful type of soluble fiber found abundantly in whole oats. A groundbreaking, heavily researched paper published in the journal Nutrients clearly highlighted how beta-glucan effectively and consistently blunts the rapid, dangerous spike and the subsequent, exhausting crash of blood sugar, providing a remarkably steady stream of glucose that perfectly sustains the brain's massive energy requirements throughout the entire night. This steady, reliable supply of energy allows the glymphatic system to perform its vital, neurotoxin-clearing work without any physiological interruption, effectively washing away the accumulated metabolic byproducts that constantly cloud our memory and impair our judgment as we age. Furthermore, oatmeal naturally contains trace amounts of melatonin and is packed with complex carbohydrates that specifically help the amino acid tryptophan effortlessly cross the highly selective blood-brain barrier, significantly increasing the brain's natural production of serotonin, the crucial neurotransmitter directly responsible for generating deep feelings of calm, safety, and well-being. For George, that simple, warm bowl of comfort quickly became his favorite nightly ritual, serving as a profoundly soothing biological signal to his tired body that the day's long battle was finally over. Because of this small change, your sleep becomes a time of restoration, not depletion, and just like George, you can awake with a mental clarity and a physical lightness that you may not have experienced in over a decade. The deep compassion we must actively show our aging bodies means providing them with the specific, gentle tools they fundamentally need to heal themselves, and oatmeal is undoubtedly one of the most accessible, affordable, and powerful tools available to deeply nourish the aging brain and rigorously protect it against the silent, nightly accumulation of dangerous neurotoxins. And yet, there is one more food, a third, highly specific carbohydrate that is almost always completely overlooked in Western diets, but which holds the absolute key to protecting your fading vision and strengthening your delicate, aging vascular networks. The final one I'll share is especially powerful: buckwheat. Despite its highly misleading name, buckwheat is not actually related to wheat at all. It is a naturally gluten-free, ancient seed that packs an astonishing, almost unbelievable concentration of a specific, highly potent bioflavonoid called rutin. Rutin is a scientifically proven vascular strengthener, globally renowned by researchers for its unparalleled ability to dramatically improve blood circulation, particularly within the microscopic, fragile microvessels of the human eye. As we gracefully age, the tiny, intricate capillaries that constantly supply vital blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the optic nerve and the retina can become dangerously brittle, stiff, and inefficient, directly leading to dangerously increased intraocular pressure and a significantly higher risk of developing devastating conditions like glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration. A fascinating, deeply detailed report published in the peer-reviewed journal Molecules explicitly detailed exactly how the high levels of rutin naturally found in buckwheat effectively reinforce the structural integrity of these delicate blood vessels, actively preventing microscopic leakage and ensuring that nutrient-rich, oxygenated blood successfully reaches the absolute deepest, most demanding layers of the eye tissues. Imagine your aging eyes as a highly complex, incredibly demanding biological camera that requires constant, meticulous maintenance to function properly. Buckwheat literally provides the exact raw, structural materials necessary to keep the biological lenses crystal clear and the internal, microscopic mechanisms functioning flawlessly. Consuming a modest portion of buckwheat in the evening, perhaps beautifully prepared in the form of traditional Japanese soba noodles or a warm, savory buckwheat porridge, ensures that this profound vascular repair occurs precisely when your aging body is naturally primed for deep cellular regeneration. Furthermore, the incredibly slow-digesting complex carbohydrates found in buckwheat also strongly contribute to the silent stabilizer effect we discussed earlier, working in perfect, biological harmony with both the quinoa and the oatmeal to rigorously maintain perfect, unbroken glycogen availability from dusk until dawn. The incredible, compounding synergistic effect of these three specific carbohydrates, quinoa for its unmatched neurosupport and retina protect, oatmeal for its vital glymphatic clearing and metabolic stability, and buckwheat for its profound vascular strengthening and optic nerve circulation, creates a truly comprehensive, impenetrable biological defense against the harshest ravages of aging. However, to truly harness the profound healing power of these three remarkable carbohydrates, we must seamlessly move beyond mere biological theory and consciously implement a highly practical, incredibly actionable weekly routine that effortlessly integrates into your current life without causing any unnecessary culinary stress or dietary confusion. Imagine a beautifully structured weekly schedule where your sleep becomes a time of restoration, not depletion, every single night. On Mondays and Thursdays, we intentionally focus on the brain calmer. Simply prepare a small, highly comforting half-cup serving of fluffy quinoa to enjoy alongside your normal dinner. You can simmer it gently in a rich vegetable or chicken broth to enhance the flavor, adding a tiny pinch of mineral-rich sea salt and perhaps some gently steamed spinach, allowing the abundant magnesium and the protective flavonoids to perfectly prime your parasympathetic mode for the long, healing night ahead. On Tuesdays and Fridays, we purposefully activate the metabolic stabilizer. Approximately 1 hour before you intend to close your eyes and sleep, sit down in a quiet room with a warm, deeply comforting half bowl of freshly cooked oatmeal. You must rigorously resist the modern urge to add any refined, inflammatory sugars. Instead, generously sprinkle a little antioxidant-rich cinnamon and a small handful of lightly crushed walnuts to significantly enhance the beta-glucan's natural ability to flawlessly sustain your glycogen availability and perfectly fuel your glymphatic system's critical, energy-demanding nighttime wash cycle, ensuring those dangerous, memory-stealing neurotoxins are effectively and permanently flushed away while you dream. Then on Wednesdays and Saturdays, we specifically call upon the powerful vascular strengthener. Effortlessly incorporate a modest serving of 100% pure buckwheat soba noodles into a light, soothing evening soup, or perhaps enjoy a savory, traditional buckwheat bake. The incredibly rich rutin content will quietly and efficiently circulate through your aging bloodstream as you sleep profoundly, meticulously fortifying the fragile, microscopic capillaries in your eyes and gently, but effectively lowering your intraocular pressure, thereby providing the exact, vital nourishment your demanding retina so desperately requires to maintain your visual acuity. Sunday can simply be a beautiful, relaxing day of intuitive transition, where you gently listen to your body and choose the specific carbohydrate your physical form craves the most, deeply listening to its natural, intuitive biological needs. This incredibly simple, highly enjoyable dietary rotation completely prevents any sense of culinary boredom, while absolutely ensuring that your central nervous system consistently receives a highly diverse, rigorously comprehensive array of profound healing nutrients. It is a wonderfully gentle, deeply compassionate approach to evening eating that truly honors the complex aging process rather than stubbornly and fruitlessly fighting against it. You absolutely do not need to subject yourself to the profound heartbreak of extreme, restrictive diets or the daily, agonizing frustration of waking up feeling completely exhausted, physically strained, and mentally depleted. By willingly embracing these beautifully warm, deeply familiar, and historically revered foods, you directly provide your aging body with exactly what it fundamentally requires to thoroughly repair, perfectly stabilize, and vibrantly thrive during the darkest, quietest hours of the night. As we journey through our later years, it is incredibly easy to succumb to the overwhelming, paralyzing fear of impending cognitive decline and the terrifying prospect of vision loss, to constantly feel as though our once reliable bodies are now cruelly betraying us despite our absolute best efforts to remain healthy. But I want to deeply, sincerely reassure you right now that your body still fiercely possesses an incredible, powerful, innate desire to completely heal itself. It simply, desperately needs the correct raw materials, consistently delivered at the exact, right biological time. The incredibly frustrating, entirely unexplained daily fatigue, the agonizingly dry, burning eyes, the terrifying, sudden memory slips, these are absolutely not inevitable, unavoidable life sentences that you must simply accept. Rather, they are desperate, biological cries for energy, silent, urgent pleas for the consistent glycogen availability and the profoundly deep, entirely uninterrupted rest that these three specific, powerful carbohydrates can effortlessly provide. You truly have the immense power right now to completely reclaim your health, to deeply soothe your fragile nervous system, and to entirely transform your quiet evenings from a terrifying time of dietary anxiety into a beautiful, comforting sanctuary of profound physical healing. We at Vital Health are entirely, passionately dedicated to gently guiding you on this beautiful journey of reclamation, consistently providing the rigorous, science-backed, truly senior-centered advice that effectively cuts through the endless noise of the modern fitness industry and delivers real, tangible, life-affirming hope directly to your screen. I want to sincerely, deeply thank you for choosing to spend this valuable time with me today, for being wonderfully open to bravely challenging the pervasive mainstream myths, and for taking these incredibly proactive, intelligent steps to rigorously nourish your beautiful, precious, aging mind and body. Please always remember, it is absolutely never too late to start making these gentle adjustments, and even the seemingly smallest, most microscopic dietary changes can rapidly yield the most profoundly noticeable, life-altering results for your long-term health and daily happiness. Now, I have a very simple, quick question for you, and I would absolutely love to read your personal thoughts and connect with you. Which carb are you most curious to try first? Comment below.